Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For all the established viewers, hello, and for all the new viewers, welcome. I hope you enjoy this. I'm going to be baking some Lamingtons today. They're an extra special Aussie treat. So we have softened butter, flour, vanilla essence, cocoa powder for the coating, lovely fat eggs, some sugar, and of course we have sifted flour. So let me get ahead and bake these for you so you can see how utterly delicious they are. So I'm going to get started by creaming the butter and the sugar. So start I think we better go in for the taste test. lovely buttery cake inside. Gorgeous chocolate on the outside and luscious strips of coconut. Here goes. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the taste of Australia on a plate. It's delicious, really delicious, easy to make, and it stores well, or they store well, sorry. Just delicious. I do hope you'll try them. Let me thank you for watching. If you like this video, you might consider giving me a thumbs up, and you might also consider subscribing if you're not subscribed. And to all the lovely new people that have joined my channel, thank you, and I'm delighted to have you. So until next time, eat some Lamingtons, people, and enjoy. Love you. Bye bye. Bye for now.